Question number 4. Find the value of k if the sum of the slopes of the lines represented by this is again homogeneous equation, is twice their product. What is given? Sum of the slopes is twice their product. Given equation of the line is x square plus kxy minus y square is equal to 0. Comparing with standard one, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, 2h is equal to k and b is equal to minus k. So by given condition, what is condition? We know that. Now the sum of the slope is, the sum of the slope m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b. 2h is equal to k, that is minus k upon b is equal to minus 3. It is k by 3. Product of the slopes, product of the slope m1 m2 is equal to a by b. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, 1 by minus 3. Now by given condition, condition is what? Sum of the slopes, that is m1 plus m2, twice their product, 2 times m1 m2. By given condition, m1 plus m2, 2 times m1 m2. m1 plus m2 k by 3, product of the slopes minus 1 by 3. That is k by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3. 3 cancel, we get k is equal to minus 2. Already we know the formulas, that is this is given homogeneous equation, comparing with standard we get a, 2h and b. Sum of the slopes minus 2h by b, product of the slopes a by b. Now we just use a given condition. What is given condition? Sum of the slope twice their product. Sum m1 plus m2 is equal to twice their product, 2 times their product, 2 times m1 m2. Just put the values m1 plus m2 and m1 m2 in this, we get k is equal to minus 2. This is the first example. Example number 2. Question number 4 मध्ये दूसरा example. Now what is given? Slopes of the lines represented by this differ by 4. Differ by 4. That is, slopes are, suppose m1 and m2 are the slopes, then their difference is, that is m1 minus m2 is equal to 4. It is the given condition in this. Slopes of the lines represented by this differ by 4. Now answer. Solution. Given equation of the line is, given equation of the line is 3x square plus kxy minus y square is equal to 0. Comparing with standard, comparing with x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 3, 2h is equal to k and b is equal to minus 1. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines represented by equation 1. Therefore, sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 minus 2h by b, 2h k, b as a minus 1, k by minus 1, it is minus k. Product of the slopes m1 m2 a by b is equal to 3, upon minus 1 it is minus 3. Now by given condition a given condition is this: slopes of the lines represented by this differ by 4, that is m1 minus m2 modulus m1 minus m2 is equal to 4. इकडे मॉड्युलस काय घेतला m1 minus m2, m1 मोठा आहे, m1 चा मोठा आहे का m2 मोठा आहे आपल्याला माहित नाहीये, त्यामुळे दोघांमधला डिफरन्स 4 असणार, त्यामुळे मॉड्युलस टाकला. m2 मोठा असेल तर m2 minus m1 पण 4 येऊन जाईल मॉड्युलस टाकल्यानंतर, किंवा m1 minus m2 as a 4. नाउ we know that m1 plus m2 square is equal to, it is m1 minus m2 bracket square, here m1 plus m2 square means m1 square plus 2 m1 m2 plus m2 square, m1 square plus m2 square minus 2, that is plus 4 times m1 m2, 4 times m1 m2. Now substitute the values: m1 plus m2 minus k square, m1 minus m2, here 4 square, 4 times m1 m2 minus 3, that is minus k square, it is only plus k square is equal to 16 minus 12. K square is equal to 4, k is equal to plus or minus 2. Example number 3. What is given? A slope of one of the line given by this kx square plus 4xy minus y square is equal to 0 exceeds the slope of other by 8. पहिल्या लाईनचा स्लोप दुसऱ्या लाईनच्या स्लोप पेक्षा 8 नी जास्त आहे, दॅट इज m2 is equal to m1 plus 8. m1 चा स्लोप m2 पेक्षा 8 नी जास्त आहे, दॅट इज द गिवन कंडिशन. एक्सीड, जास्त. नाउ सोल्यूशन. गिवन इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन इज, given equation of the line is kx square 4xy minus y square is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus 2h xy plus dy square is equal to 0. We get a is equal to k, 2h is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 1. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines represented by equation 1. This is equation 1. Therefore, sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 minus 2h by b. 2h, it is 4, by b minus 1, it is 4. Product of the slopes m1 m2 is equal to a by b, it is k upon minus 1 minus k. By given condition, m2 is equal to m1 plus 8. m2 is equal to m1 plus 8. Slope of one of the line is exceed the other by 8. दुसऱ्यापेक्षा पहिल्याचा स्लोप 8 नी जास्त आहे. That is first m1, slope of the first line is m1, just add 8, then it is equal to slope of second line. This is just given condition. m2 is equal to m1 plus 8. Now this equation number 2 becomes, this is 2 and 3. equation 2 becomes m1 plus m1 plus 8 is equal to 4. 2m1 4 minus 8, 2m1 minus 4, m1 is equal to minus 2. Put m1 is equal to minus 2 in equation. Therefore, equation 3 becomes m1 again m2. m2 means m1 plus 8 is equal to minus k. m1 minus 2, minus 2 plus 8 minus k, minus 2 6 minus k, k is equal to 12. Now this is the answer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 मध्ये काय विचारलं, फाइंड द कंडिशन दॅट. कंडिशन आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायची. फाइंड द कंडिशन. द लाइन 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 coincides with one of the line given by this homogeneous second degree homogeneous equation. आता आपल्याला माहित आहे होमोजेनियस सेकंड डिग्री इक्वेशन याचं आपल्याला ऑक्झिलरी इक्वेशन लिहिता येईल. दॅट इज a plus 2hm plus bm square is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. याला दोन रूट्स m1 m2 दॅट इज म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या ज्या दोन लाईन्स आहेत त्या लाईन्सचे स्लोप्स म्हणजे या ऑक्झिलरी इक्वेशनचे रूट्स असतात. क्वेश्चन काय दिला आहे, फाइंड द लाइन. दिस लाइन 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 coincides with one of the line given by. याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या ज्या दोन लाईन्स आहेत त्याच्यामधल्या एका लाईनला ही लाईन कोइन्साइड होते. म्हणजेच काय, या लाईनचा स्लोप आपल्याला मिळेल and that slope is nothing but a root of auxiliary equation. Now solution. The given equation is of the line is x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Put x equal to 1 and y is equal to m, we get auxiliary equation. That is a plus 2h m plus bm square is equal to 0. bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. Now slope of this line, slope of line 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 is slope of this line minus a by b. A is 4, b is 5, is m is equal to minus 4 by 5. Since 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 coincides with one of the line given by x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Therefore slope of this line is a root of auxiliary equation. Therefore slope of the line 4x plus 5y is equal to 0, that is m is equal to minus 4 by 5 is the root of auxiliary equation. auxiliary equation. Therefore, put m is equal to minus 4 by 5 in equation 1. Equation 1. B into minus 4 by 5 square 2h minus 4 by 5 plus a is equal to 0. That is 16 b upon 25 minus 8h upon 5 plus a is equal to 0. Common denominator 25, 16b minus 40h plus 25a upon 25 is equal to 0. 16b minus 40h plus 25a is equal to 0. Which is the required condition? Which is the required condition? Question number 5, example number 2. Solution. Again question is same, find the condition. The line 3x plus y is equal to 0 may be perpendicular to one of the line given by this. याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या दोन लाइन्स पैकी एका लाइनला ही लाइन परपेंडिकुलर आहे. आपल्याला कंडिशन कॅल्क्युलेट करायची. गिवन इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इज ax square plus 2h xy plus by square is equal to 0. Its auxiliary equation is bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. Equation number 1 for this. Now slope of this line. Now slope of line 3x plus y is equal to 0 is slope of this line minus a by b, minus 3 by 1, it is minus 3. Since one of the line represented by x square plus 2h xy plus by square is equal to 0 is perpendicular to 3x plus y is equal to 0. Therefore, slope of that line is, that is slope of this one of the line is the one of the line is perpendicular to this. Therefore, slope of this line is reciprocal minus slope of line is equal to reciprocal minus 1 by 3. That is m is equal to 1 by 3 is one of the root. कारण याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या ज्या दोन लाइन्स आहेत त्याच्यामधल्या एका लाइनचा स्लोप, एक लाइन याला परपेंडिकुलर आहे, या लाइनचा स्लोप मिळाला, त्यामुळे याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या एका लाइनचा स्लोप आपल्याला मिळेल रेसिप्रोकल मायनस 1 by 3. याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या दोन लाइन्स पैकी एका लाइनचा स्लोप मिळाला, दॅट स्लोप इज नथिंग बट रूट्स ऑफ ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन. देयरफॉर पुट m इज इक्वल टू 1 by 3 is one of the root of auxiliary equation. Just put m is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. b into 1 by 3 square 2h 1 by 3 plus a is equal to 0. b by 9 2h by 3 plus a is equal to 0. Common denominator as a 9, b plus 6h plus 9a upon 9 is equal to 0. Just 9 transfer to 0, B plus 6H plus 9A is equal to 0. Which is the required condition? Which is the required condition? तर मगाच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये काय दिलं होतं, वन ऑफ द लाईन कोइन्साइड म्हणजे काय, पॅरलल. त्या लाईनचा स्लोप काढला आणि त्याच लाईनचा रिक्वायर्ड लाईनचा स्लोप पॅरलल असल्यामुळे सेम राहील आणि तो उचलून आपण ऑक्झिलरी इक्वेशन मध्ये टाकलं. हियर क्वेश्चन इज वन ऑफ द लाईन इज परपेंडिक्युलर टू दिस लाईन. या लाईनचा स्लोप घेतला -3. याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या दोन लाईन्स आहेत, एक लाईन याला परपेंडिक्युलर आहे त्यामुळे याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या एखाद्या लाईनचा स्लोप याचा रेसिप्रोकल मायनस, दॅट इज रेसिप्रोकल मायनस 1/3. Therefore, slope of one of the line is 1/3. That is, this is the root of auxiliary equation. हे auxiliary equation चा रूट आहे म्हणजे put m is equal to 1/3 in equation 1. त्यामुळे टाकल्यानंतर आपल्याला कंडिशन मिळून जाईल. Question number 7. What is question? Find the combined equation. Combined equation काढायचं आपल्याला. That is joint equation. The pair of lines passing through origin. Origin मधून पास होणाऱ्या दोन लाइन्स. त्या लाइन्स कशा आहेत? मेकिंग एन इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल विथ लाइन y is equal to 3. y is equal to 3 बरोबर इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल तयार करतात. Let OA and OB be the two lines passes through origin and making an equilateral triangle with line y is equal to 3. Now suppose this is y is equal to 3 line and this is x axis, x dash negative side, y dash. This is origin. This is y is equal to 3 line. OA and OB be the two lines passes through origin. Origin मधून पास व्हायला पाहिजेत lines and making equilateral triangle with this. These are the lines. This is O. This point as a, this point as a B. OA OB. That is, we have to find combined equation of these two lines OA and OB such that OA and OB makes angle equilateral triangle with this y is equal to 3 line. Therefore, this is 60. This is 60. This is again 60. Therefore, these two angles are same. This angle and this angle same. Therefore, this angle is again 60 degree. Now, angle made by this OA line with positive direction of x-axis. This 60 because of equilateral 60, 60 and this 60. Therefore, this and this angles are same. That is alternating angles 60 and 60. Therefore, OA makes angle 60 degree with positive direction of x-axis. OB, this line OB makes angle this 60 plus 60 120 degree. Now, line OA makes an angle 60 degree with positive x-axis. Therefore, inclination of line OA is 60 degree. Therefore, slope of line OA tan 60, that is root 3. Therefore, equation of the line OA is passes through origin is y is equal to mx, that is y is equal to root 3x. Y is equal to root 3x implies root 3x minus y is equal to 0. Equation number 1 for this. This is equation of line OA. Now equation of line OB. Angle made by line OB with positive direction of x-axis is, this angle is 60 because equilateral. This is 60. 60 plus 60, 120. Again, OB makes angle 120 degree with positive x-axis. Therefore, inclination of OB is 120 degree. Slope of OB is tan 120 degree. Tan 120, that is I write tan 180 minus 60. Now this is second quadrant, minus tan 60, it is minus root 3. Now slope of the line OB is minus root 3. Now again, OB line passes through origin, therefore its equation is, now equation of line OB is y is equal to, again mx type, minus root 3x. M is the slope, minus root 3. Again transfer root 3x plus y is equal to 0. Equation 2. Now combine equation of these two, OA and OB, that is taking multiplication. Combine equation is root 3x minus y, root 3x plus y is equal to 0. A minus b, a plus b, a square root 3x bracket square minus y square 0. That is 3x square minus y square is equal to 0. That is the answer. Question number 8. What is given if slope of one of the lines given by this, याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या दोन लाइन्स, त्याच्यापैकी एका लाइनचा स्लोप is 4 times the other, then show that this condition we have to prove, that is m1 is equal to 4 times m2. It is given condition. Slope of one of the line is 4 times other, that is the given condition. We have to show that condition. The given equation of the line is, given equation of the line is x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of lines represented by इक्वेशन 1. याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या दोन लाईन्सचे स्लोप m1 आणि m2 असं सपोज करूया. Therefore sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 minus 2h by b. Equation number 2 for this. Product of the slopes a by b. Equation number 3. By given condition, slope of one of the line m1 is equal to 4 times other, m1 is equal to 4 times m2. Now equation 2 becomes m1 4 times m2 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b, that is 5m2 minus 2h by b. m2 is equal to minus 2h upon 5b. m2 ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली. Again put m1 is equal to 4m2 in this. Equation 3 becomes इक्वेशन 3 मध्ये परत m1 ची व्हॅल्यू टाकणार. इक्वेशन 3 4m2 into m2 is equal to a by b, that is 4m2 square is equal to a by b. Now m2 is equal to what? Minus 2h by 5b. 4 minus 2h upon 5b bracket square is equal to a by b. Now simplify this, squaring just 4 into 4h upon 25b is equal to a by b. Here just 4h square upon 25b square. Check squaring, a square iकडे. Then 4 16h square upon 25b square is equal to a by b. 16h square is equal to 25b square into a upon b. 1b cancel. 16h square is equal to 25ab. And this is the required condition. 16h square is equal to 25ab. Again question is same, just slope of one of the line is 4 times other. Condition is what? एका लाईनचा स्लोप 4 times slope of other. m1 is equal to 4 times m2. m1 ची व्हॅल्यू याच्यामध्ये टाकायची, m2 ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल. परत m1 ची व्हॅल्यू याच्यामध्ये टाकायची, m2 ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल. देन जस्ट सॉल्व.